A closed support ticket doesn't always mean your issue was rejected. In many cases, Giraffe marks tickets as resolved automatically after a period of inactivity, or if the support team believes the request has already been answered. By the end of this video, you'll know why a Giraffe ticket may close without a response, how to submit a stronger follow-up request, and what information gives you the best chance of getting help. If you opened a ticket and never received a useful reply, start by checking the email address connected to your Giraffe account. Look in your inbox, spam, promotions, and junk folders for messages from the support team. Sometimes the reply is sent successfully but ends up filtered into another folder. If there's no response anywhere, open the Giraffe app and navigate back to the Help or Support section. Check whether your previous conversation is still available. If the ticket is marked as closed and you can't reopen it, create a new one instead of repeatedly submitting the same request. The next step is improving the information you provide. Clearly explain the problem in a few sentences. Include your account email, the game involved if the issue is game-specific, the reward or payment that's affected, and the approximate date the problem started. If you have screenshots showing missing coins, a failed redemption, or an error message, attach them to the new ticket. Complete details make it easier for the support team to understand your issue without asking for additional information. Avoid opening multiple tickets about the exact same problem within a short period. Several duplicate requests can make it harder to track your case, and may slow the review process. One complete ticket with all the relevant details is usually more helpful than several incomplete ones. After submitting the new request, keep an eye on the email linked to your account. If support replies with additional questions, answer them in the same conversation instead of creating another ticket. That keeps everything organized under one case. If your issue involves a reward that's still processing, remember that some requests require manual review before support can provide an update. During that time, repeatedly sending follow-up messages generally won't speed up the process. To sum it up, first check all email folders for a missed reply. Submit a new ticket with complete details if the previous one was closed, and continue the conversation in the same support thread if you receive a response. If this guide helped you, leave a like, subscribe for more Giraffe tips and troubleshooting videos, and check out the next tutorial for solutions to other common Giraffe problems.